Imagine a future where disease is detected and treated before you even experience symptoms. A future where microscopic machines roam your bloodstream, repairing damage at the cellular level. This isn't science fiction. This is the potential of nanotechnology in medicine. Nanotechnology deals with manipulating materials at the atomic and molecular level, a scale billion times smaller than a meter. In the realm of medicine, this translates to creating tiny robots, called nanobots, capable of interacting with our biology in unprecedented ways. These nanobots hold the promise of revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. They could diagnose diseases with pinpoint accuracy, deliver drugs directly to affected cells, and even repair damaged tissues. The concept may seem like something out of Star Trek, but the reality is that scientists are already making significant strides in this field. While still in its early stages, nanomedicine is rapidly advancing, offering a glimpse into a future where disease could become a thing of the past. Nanobots, short for nanorobots, are microscopic devices typically measured in nanometers. To put that into perspective, a single human hair is about 80,000 nanometers wide. These minuscule machines are designed to operate at the cellular level, navigating the complex machinery of our bodies with remarkable precision. While their size is astonishing, their potential is even more remarkable. Nanobots can be engineered for a variety of medical tasks. Imagine nanobots programmed to seek out and destroy cancer cells, effectively eliminating tumors without harming healthy tissue. Or envision nanobots delivering precise doses of medication directly to the site of infection, minimizing side effects and maximizing efficacy. The possibilities are seemingly endless, limited only by our imagination and scientific ingenuity. While the idea of nanobots eradicating diseases might seem like a distant future, the reality is that researchers are already making significant progress. Early applications of nanotechnology in medicine are showing promise in various areas. For instance, scientists have developed nanoparticles that can deliver chemotherapy drugs directly to cancer cells, increasing their effectiveness and reducing side effects. Another exciting area of research involves using nanobots for targeted drug delivery to the brain. The blood-brain barrier, a protective shield that surrounds the brain, often prevents drugs from reaching their intended targets. Nanoparticles, however, can be engineered to cross this barrier, offering new hope for treating neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. These early successes highlight the enormous potential of nanobots in revolutionizing how we diagnose, treat, and even prevent diseases in the future. Section 4. A World Without Disease, the Future of Nanomedicine. Looking ahead, the future of nanomedicine seems brighter than ever. As our understanding of nanotechnology grows, so too does our ability to manipulate these tiny machines to tackle increasingly complex medical challenges. Imagine a future where routine injections of specialized nanobots could keep your arteries clear, preventing heart disease. Or envision nanobots that could repair damaged spinal cords, restoring mobility to those with paralysis. Beyond treating existing conditions, nanobots could also play a crucial role in preventive medicine. Imagine nanobots constantly monitoring your blood for early signs of disease, alerting your doctor, and even taking corrective action before any symptoms even arise. This proactive approach to healthcare could fundamentally change how we think about health and well-being, paving the way for a future where disease is no longer the threat it is today. Section 5. Ethical Considerations. Navigating the uncharted territory of nanobots. As with any powerful technology, the development of nanobots for medical use raises several ethical considerations that we, as a society, need to address. One concern revolves around the potential for misuse. Could this technology be weaponized or used for malicious purposes? Another concern is the potential impact on social equality. Will nanobot treatments be accessible to everyone, or will they exacerbate existing healthcare disparities? The long-term effects of nanobots interacting with the human body are also unknown. Could these tiny machines have unforeseen consequences for our health or the environment? Addressing these ethical questions is crucial to ensure that nanotechnology is used responsibly and for the benefit of all humankind. Section 6. The Promise and Peril of Nanobots. A revolution in healthcare? The development of nanobots for medical use represents a paradigm shift in healthcare. These microscopic machines offer the potential to eradicate diseases, enhance human capabilities, and extend our lifespan. The future of medicine may very well be written in nanobots, offering a future where disease is no longer the threat it is today. However, alongside this immense promise comes a responsibility to proceed with caution. We must carefully consider the ethical implications and potential risks of this powerful technology. By fostering open dialogue and responsible research practices, we can harness the power of nanobots to create a healthier and brighter future for all. The journey towards a world free from disease may be long and challenging, but the potential rewards are simply too great to ignore.